Welcome to the channel. Let's create text portrait effect. Go to Type tool and create a text box. This is a default text. I am going to copy it a few times. You can do the same or find a text PNG image from Google and bring it into the Photoshop. Select the text layer, right, click and convert to Smart Object. Create a solid black color layer. Bring it in the middle of the both layer. Select the image layer and press Ctrl J to copy. Bring the copied layer on the top. Now go to the Quick Selection tool. Click on the select subject to separate the image from the background. Now click on the layer mask icon. Right-click on the layer and choose Clipping Mask. Select the top layer mask thumbnail and go to Properties. Adjust the density Go to Levels and adjust the levels. Go to Curves and adjust the brightness. Now your text portrait effect is ready. If you want it to be black and white, just press Ctrl U to bring the Hue and Saturation panel. Decrease the saturation all the way to -100. Now it's become black and white. Thanks for watching. See you next time.